Hi, I'm Bruce Spencer, owner of Walt Eger's Auto Service Center in Severn. We continue to support small businesses with our local love videos. COVID-19 has given all of us a jolt in many ways, and hopefully you have remained safe throughout. But now the vaccination is here, the weather is breaking, and our economy is opening back up. One great way to help others is by supporting small businesses. As we say, show your local love. How can you help? All you need to do right now is share this short video, which enters you to win a Walt Eger tumbler and a $25 gift card to one of our neighboring businesses. If you win, I will message you to coordinate mailing the tumbler and gift card. Today we're at Odenton Ace Hardware. They've been in business for 62 years. Yes, 62 years. Dan Lewis is the owner here. They're known for offering great personalized service. Remember now, just share a post about Odenton Ace Hardware. I will draw a winner each week. Good luck, and thanks for sharing our local love.